fill the snackle boxes. First we've got the chopped peppers. And that's about 1/3 of a pepper. And the cherry tomatoes. So you get about 5 or 6 in there. Small petite carrots. And again, about 5 or 6 will fit in there. And then some pecans. And that's snackle box number 1. Now we've got snackle box number 2. Craisins and almonds. It's about 1/3 of a cup, maybe a little bit more. And then some cheddar. 1/4 of a cup. And some white cheddar. Same again, about 1/4 of a cup. You can see there's a little bit of room left in there. About 1/4 of a red pepper. And okay, now for your bonus, got a larger tackle box with many more compartments, and you can fill it with just about anything you want to. Great thing about these is they're fresh, they're customizable, they can be different for each person in your family. So I'm going to add some summer sausage. And then some ham. Your trip. You make one of these each for one of your kids, and they can have their own box and customize it the way they want. So we've got your bonus box. It's mostly veggies, which you could pack a hummus with, or a ranch. And then you've got more of a protein one. So you can see you're going to get by far much more than you would with the prepackaged snack packs. You can pack the portions that you want. Time to put these together, if I was going to put these together for the week for just myself, it would take about 10 to 15 minutes to do all the prep work and then put them together. So if you're short on time, this will work. If you want to eat better, these are a better option. And if you want to have control over your portions, this again is a much better option.